steep roof. Hoping I can get a little bit of commentary from some of the guys about what the risks and what the tips and hints for working on such a steep roof would be. Johnny, good to see you again.
How you doing?
So, what are some of the differences between working on a steep roof and just your average like 4-pitch roof?
Oh, wait. A roof that's not as steep doesn't take as long.
Okay.
Because you can move a little faster. You ain't got to be as careful walking around. Whereas a steep roof, the steeper it is, the harder it is to walk up. You got to set boards up so that way you can walk up the boards to move around down the roof easier and better. So
Okay.
it's a lot more time consuming.
I also noticed you got a guy up at the top who's passing shingles down to the guys below.
It makes it easier for the shinglers to have a feeder. The guys throwing the shingles are feeders. And it makes it to where the shinglers can shoot faster. That way they don't have to go and stop shooting to get their own shingles.
I imagine the feeders got to be careful though that they don't throw the shingle the wrong way and cut the guy's hand or hit him in the face with it, right?
Usually the shinglers are pretty good. They manage to catch them, but yeah, you usually want to make sure you throw it good and aim right for their hand or slide it right down.
Slide it down? Okay. So, what are these big pads that these guys are sitting on?
Cushions. They help where you don't slide off the roof, give you more stability and grip on the roof.
That one right there kind of looks like it came off a couch. Do they?
Yeah.
What do you pull them off the side of the road and you just cut
Yeah, they're just regular couch cushions.
Oh, they are? Okay.
Yeah.
So this isn't something you go to the store and buy for roofing.
No, you don't have to. You can see a couch sitting on the side and just rip the cushions out of them.
Okay. I wondered. I've actually seen couches where they've been in the trash and all the cushions are taken. So roofers got them.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. And I noticed a lot of you guys got shoes that got like pads on the bottom. What are those?
They're cougar paws. They got the cushions on the bottom too, so it gives you better grip on the roof. That way it's easier to walk the steeper roof.
So the foam on the bottom of the shoes and the foam in the cushion sticks to the roof
Yeah.
better than like regular rubber soles.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what are some of the hazards that you would see with working on a steeper roof?
It's easier to fall. It's easier for things to slide down or fall off the roof. I mean, it's easier to get hurt if you're not careful moving around on it.
Takes a lot more care to move around.
Yeah.
I imagine not dropping things off the roof is a bigger issue too, making sure you're not hitting somebody walking below.
Yeah.
Okay. And then obviously you're climbing a mountain all day long.
Yeah, your legs start to burn a little bit, your legs and your feet. Feet feel like fire.
At the end of the day, you're probably more tired after one like this than you would be, say, a regular walkable roof.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. What are those boards up there, Johnny?
Jack boards, you can place them to where that way the shinglers have somewhere to stand. That way it's a lot less strenuous on their legs and they're not sliding around and they can shoot faster. They can shingle the roof quicker.
It looks like a lot of the stuff that slides down gets caught by that board too, so it's not falling right off the edge.
Yeah, it helps as secondary catching stuff like that too.
Okay. Well, thanks for your time today, Johnny.
All right, have a check. Can't even think right now.